I started this channel to encourage new hams in their operations. All operations, general operations. Personally, I'm a contester. I enjoy the challenges offered by contesting, and I find a lot of value in contesting. This weekly contesting update will be posted on Mondays and will focus on contests that I think new hams would first be able to do with minimal effort, and secondly, would be able to enjoy. They'd find some happiness in it. I list contests that are coming up in the next 2 weeks to give you time to plan and prepare for any that might catch your eye. All times use the 24-hour military clock and are in Coordinated Universal Time, also known as UTC, Greenwich Mean Time, and Zulu Time. A link to help you to determine your offset for your location is in the description below. Now you're going to want some contesting software. There is a link in the description below to a list of contesting software. I use WriteLog, but N1MM is good too. Now some I've used and many that I haven't. Please leave any comments on the software that you decide on. Links for the rules for all of these contests are in the video descriptions. Now, side note, I certainly advise you to read those rules as they provide a lot more information than I do. As always, stay within the operating limits of your license class, meaning frequency, power, and mode. Now, this update, the update this week only has 3 contests. They're all HF, 1 CW, 1 phone, and 1 mixed. You can work CW and or phone. 2 of them focus on the younger hams and YL hams. Now, first up is the Worldwide Sideband Activity Contest. It starts at 0100 Zulu and ends at 0159 Zulu on May 11th. This is a 1-hour contest. Yes, I said 1 hour long. Now it's SSB and it focuses on younger hams and lady hams. There's even a special category for young lady hams. Now don't drag your feet putting in your log, as they're due no later than the day after the contest. The information is in the rules. Now this sounds like a fun contest, and I'll probably break out my microphone and make a few contacts. It's a Tuesday evening. What else do I got going? Now, there are more instances of this exact same contest happening over the next 3 months, with the next one on May 18th. So, if you can't do this one this week, try one of the following weeks, or give yourself a challenge. Try to work all of them, or as many of them as you can. Now next is His Majesty King of Spain Contest CW. It starts at 1200 Zulu on May 15th and ends at 1200 Zulu on May 16th. As the title says, this is a CW only contest. But it is an extremely popular one, and you can expect a lot of DX to be on the air. And they're all workable for points, and so are you. They're looking to work you as well. Multipliers include the Spanish provinces and the King of Spain station EA0. Finally, the Youth on the Air, or YOTA contest. It starts at 0800 and ends at 1959 on May 22nd. As the title suggests, this is another contest that focuses on young hams, specifically those 25 years old and younger. But the more seasoned of us can certainly work the contest and encourage the youngsters. It is CW and SSB. You can work either or both. It's on phone, on HF. Links to the rules for all of these contests are in the video description below. Now, if you have a question about the rules, please post them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer your questions within 24 hours. Now, if you do a contest, please post a comment letting us know how you did and how you felt about doing the contest. And please give me a like. consider subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you won't miss an update. 7-3 for now. I'm Elmer Tom, ND3N, out.